Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful bun wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I've actually shared with you this style before in color black and gray. So guys, just comment down below also if you love this color. And if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. I haven't yet sewn an elastic band on it to make it more secure. I'm just going to use these straps, but I'll do that later just to make it more secure. So guys, just comment down below if you love this color, and then if you've ordered from my website, please guys always remember to leave a feedback or a review on my website. I really appreciate. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment down below if you love this style and if you love this color as well. See you in my next video. Bye.